Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day down here in Hialeah, Florida. Beautiful weather too. Alright, let's see what we got going on here today. Echo. I'm not sure exactly what it is. Let me see if I see here. Oh, I see it. CS-305. Already took here. You can see the inside. It comes with this. It comes with a blade. I don't think this is good, but some people clean it. I throw a picture inside here like I always do. I throw a picture inside the piston. Remember guys, I'm doing this video for my eBay store. I'm not trying to teach you anything. I'm not trying to fix anything. This is for my customers. The picture is not enough for them, and they want sound, they want more. Also it's a filter here. Alright, let's give it a shot to see where we at. So far, handle works, flywheel works, coil works. Okay, let's see what we got here. Alright, well, I can see it starts, but when I was trying to accelerate, this is stuck here. Already can see it's a problem. Let me see here in the front. I guess it's something with acceleration. It's just stuck maybe somehow. Let me try it again. I just moved something with no. Yeah. Yep. Something here is not good. It looks like it's a stuck. But out of that, you saw the it's trying to start. Of course, remember it's missing the little. It's gonna go back. Let me give it a shot again, okay? Oh, I forgot to say I'm gonna do the video on the end in Spanish. Voy a hacer en el video en español al final. All right, let's hit it. Alright guys, you have it here for parts. Remember, I only sell for parts. This is what's come included. This is not to be fixed. This is to use it for another machines. I only sell for parts. I don't sell to be fixed, okay? Remember, for parts. Alright, thank you guys. Any questions are here. Hola mi gente, ¿qué me dice la raza? Que se una la raza. Aquí tenemos un Echo CS-305. Ya vieron ya que el arranque funciona, la mariposa funciona y la bobina funciona. Recuérdense que yo vendo para piezas, que aunque ustedes vean que la máquina prenda de vuelta y todo eso no significa nada. Yo vendo para piezas, yo no vendo para arreglar. Así que si es para arreglar, están entrando a la página equivocada. Viene con tu cosita, viene el filtro lo di bastante suciecito, se ve que no lo ha cuidado. Y viene con esto que no creo que es la original, pero bueno, quién sabe, puede ser que sí. La cadena no luce muy bien. Ok guys, ya aquí saben, mi gente, cualquier cosa les gusta lo que estoy haciendo, apretarme un like ahí. Se les quiere, bueno, que se me una la raza.